Hey guys, what's up? I just got off the train. It's dark. I forgot about the times. I need to pay attention to my surroundings. You see my situation I got going on in here? We're in my bedroom, you guys. This is my nightstand. Girl, you see this right here? My new humidifier diffuser. Girl, I've been rocking this thing every night for the past week and a half. I was supposed to show you guys a week and a half ago. Girl, it is so good. When they reached out to me and I was like, yes, I absolutely love humidifiers. When you're not feeling good, diffusers, throw some essential oils. Girl, I got my muscle relief essential oil in there right now. Yes, it smells so good in my room. It's so relaxing. Girl, let me tell you about this thing. So like I was saying, this particular one here, this dual 200S, girl, oh my goodness. First of all, you use the app, the Vesync app, to control this entire thing. And I know this to be true because I already use the app on my air fryer. So girl, I got them both hooked up to there. It's a whole thing going on here. And the benefits of it is what does it for me. You know what I mean? The coughs, the colds, and the fact that I could throw my essential oils in here. Perfect. So I just take the tank off. This was more convenient for me. You could put a pitcher of water in here wherever you want. Girl, this is a 3-liter tank. Throw that top on there. You can set it manually or you could use your phone. Look at this mist, girl. And this thing runs continuously for up to 25 hours on its lowest setting. Girl, are you serious? And guess what? You know I tested it out. I ran this thing from 6p to 6p the next day over the weekend. So this particular night right here, I was a little stressed. So I threw my essential de-stress oil in here right in the bottom of the tank, 10 or 15 drops. Let it do its magic, girl. Yes. So I'm just showing you here really quickly how you can set it from your phone. I'm talking to you guys. This thing is running so quiet. Oh my goodness. But listen, you guys, I'm going to throw all the info in the description box. If you guys decide to grab, let me know how you like it. Okay, so I came out here to see what was going on. It's still a couple more bins. Okay, so this is all in the winter white stuff. So this was the topper I used for my Ray Dunn tree last year. And, you know, I got a couple ornaments in here, some bows that I made. And, yeah, just some odds and ends. But this is all going in the foyer and the living room. And then over here in this bin is some more of the winter white tree, these big old balls. Girl, these are super cute. I grabbed from Walmart last year or the year before. No, last year. Yeah, last year was my first winter white. So, yes, I got these. You know, these are from the Dollar Tree. So it's a Dollar Tree and Walmart in here. You know what I'm saying? I don't venture too much from them to stores. Girl, how pretty is this? And you know those ornaments were like, it's either $1 or $1.99, I feel like. I don't know about that one, Dollar Tree. And then these are some presents here that I grabbed from AC Moore a few years back with that frost on there. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, I have a few. Oh, I think they're in here. The big, the medium, and the small. I feel like they're all in there. I got my Bath and Body Works plug-in. One of them anyway. I have so many. So yeah, all right, this is the other bin. So this is all living room foyer. This is all for the tree, basically. So yeah, he needs to get this in the house. He brought another bin in here for me. This pillow was all the way up top. Girl, this thing is so pretty. I grabbed on clearance for $8. I think it was from Marshall's Home Goods at the end of the season last year. So yeah. Oh, this is dining room stuff. It's not gonna, I already see it ain't gonna look the same. You know what I'm saying? Because I had these glasses. Girl, Yes, I need to put these on the counter. I had these glasses on the table, so you know that's not gonna work. Let me get in here, dig in here and see what's going on. Ooh, y'all, I had one. So yeah, I gotta pull that out. Some bells. Girl, what's this? Girl, eggnog. Girl, some coquito going in here, girl. Yes. 'Tis the season. Wow. What's that one down there? No. Girl, yes. Oh, and nice. But we gonna keep it this way. All right, so he just bought both of these trees in here for me. This is the Disney tree for the dining room. And this one is the winter white tree that goes in here in the corner. Now I have to figure out where to put this brown shelf. It was behind the couch last year. But I don't know. I'm going to move it, see if it works. I'm going to just go with it. I love the tree so much, but this down here is the only part that works my nerves so bad. So I'm gonna let it kind of fall for a day or so, and then I will decorate it. All right, guys, what's up? I am in Five Below. I decided to dip in here to see what they had going on for the holidays. I see that Nomi paper going on, and girl, look, Friends. Yes, I wish my husband would pay attention and wrap my gifts and things that I show. You know what I'm saying? So they had these little Nomi ornaments. They were super cute. The tree collars, that gold. They had the silver going on. The elf on the shelf. These were like bobbleheads. So they had a few of those. And you know, they always have like the t-shirts and stuff. How super cute is that? They didn't have my size. And look at the hats. I have that hat. I wore it in Disney last year. Aren't they super cute? Oh my goodness. And this shirt right here, I grabbed. That thing was so cute. And then they had like the fleecy bottoms going on and all of these stockings. They were like $4. And look at the buffalo check. Girl, the black and white and the red and black. And all of these pretty ones down here. Girl, they had the Nomi pajama pants. The elf ones. Oh my goodness. Look, they had peppermint. Girl. So yes. And then they had stuff for the fur babies, the toys. So that was cute. And of course they had the socks going on. I didn't grab, y'all. I didn't grab. I was good, but they are super cute. And then they had more of the fleecy bottoms. Look at the poop with the hat on. So yes. So y'all, I had to give you a little taste of Philly. They had some things going on. Our downtown Philly, everybody knows that love, the pretzel, and don't forget the cheesesteak. So yeah, I just wanted to show you some things they had going on in the store. That's our famous Broad Street. So here we go with the gingerbread houses. Look at all of these different... Girl, you see all of the Hershey's, the Oreos. I didn't grab. I should have, but I did grab these glasses though. I grabbed both of those actually. They are super cute. I didn't get the snowflakes though. And look at the slippers. I should have grabbed the slippers too. The reindeers, right? And the elves. Aren't they cute? Oh, they had the socks. The 12 days of socks. They had the 3 different boxes. So, yeah, they had those going on. But look at these. Girl, yeah, you know I'm checking for the grippy grips on the back. They look so cozy and warm, but guess what? They didn't have my size. Look at that pretty nail polish, girl. And I'm showing you this because these holders were so darn cute with them circles. And look at the little jewelry that they had going on. They had the bracelets and the necklaces. So they were cute with the initials. And these makeup bags were super cute. They were $5. They were nice and big too. They had all of these different colors: sunflower seeds, sour cream and onion, jalapeno, barbecue, bacon mac and cheese. Are you serious? And these naughty or nice TikToks. Tic Tacs, girl. I'm crazy. All right, you guys, I'm going to go. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next Christmas Decorate with me. Bye.